The landlord went in for Gracie. She showed her pictures and said that she stated that she was coming out for her wearing that shorts. The landlord is getting in. Continue watching.
Let me show you the end. See Gracie there? Who no look pan Gracie king? Gracie, you come out in a shop. Jesus Christ! People. I dropped dead too far. Hold me up. Hey, this somebody was saying that come. They no could tell me so when Gracie come out in the shots. Saying come for landlord. Gracie, no, I'm never ready for you this morning. Jesus, Father. Make we go back all looking for the 20 a day old. Hold me up, Father. Hold me, Father, hold me. How send this come, man? How no Father, so? Jesus Christ, no want this to post up. Gracie! Oh no, look here! Jesus! Legendary! Where you there? Massive God! Oh no, look good, you know. See Gracie face there?